Hi everyone, this is Professor Pawan from Department of ECE, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. We are introducing a small model called UVC disinfective PWC model. This model helps us in killing the bacteria, and nowadays we know that coronavirus is spreading anywhere. The motto of this model is that like we can disinfective the mobiles, wallets, cards, and mask which we are using. Basically, what happens when we go out and come to house means we are going to sanitize our hand, the whole body, but we are leaving the wallets, mask, and cards which we have used, and also mobiles. To overcome this problem, we have one small model called UVC disinfective PWC model. UV ultraviolet C band disinfective phone wallet card model, done by Department of ECE, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Now I'll just give you a small demo of it. So this will be having a two racks we have made. The first rack we can keep mobile, any other things. The whole body is reflected with the aluminum reflector. So second also same thing we have done. The top of this one will be having UV rays will be passed. So on the back side you can see this is a 24 volts 2 amps the power supply designed in the college, and I'll be giving demo now. Just we have to plug in first the device and make it on. So once we can make it on, like you can see the rays which is passing inside. So I'll be keeping one small mobile now for your demo purpose. So here we can see a lot of fingerprints is been there. For your kind information, it won't erase the fingerprints. It kills the bacteria or viruses, whatever it is there on the top. Just I'll keep it here. And close it. And we have used cards in the ATMs or in the malls and all different areas, so we can keep it here. So this is made in such a way that the below rack will also will get a raise, and above it will be disinfected with a 360-degree. So we'll keep it for a few minutes. And the little bit care we have to take it, and these rays should not fall on our body or on eyes. So here we kept it in a small window where we can see the content. So after a few minutes you can remove the cards, whatever the finger we have used, the bacteria will be there, it will be killed. And also the second part is that the wallet we can keep on first rack. On a second rack we can keep our mask also for a few more minutes. Okay, so this is how we can use this UVC disinfective PWC model. So after a few minutes you can take off. Whenever you go out and get into your office or home or any places, you can just use this small model we can carry. So easy to carry anywhere. So thanks for your view. Any clarification you can contact me. Thank you.